So, this is my fry scoop that I've designed to take a small amount of fries out of a fry basket like that and put them where they need to go. That's not a good demonstration of it, but that's basically how they work. You scoop it, you close it, and you deposit. It's got a piece of paper in here to hold it together because the stupid thing has really crap tolerance, because this is bad plastic with really bad dimensional accuracy and requires a 1/4 millimeter, but you can swap out this little thing for a pair of tongs so that you don't have to burn yourself, but then you get worse angles. There. So you can scoop it up and close it up. You've got some fries and you deposit them. Yeah, it's for a small amount of fries, not a lot of fries. And these fries are really fragile too because I didn't make them right, but it does work. Ignore that fry. It doesn't work well, but it works. And this is the best I could do for a pair of tongs that opens and closes, right? A better, more easy way to do it would have just been to make just half of this, just a scoop, right? But I didn't want to make just a scoop. I wanted to see if I could make a pair of tongs. And this is the best I could do for that. So this is what it is, and that's how it works. It works, but not well, but it works.